My lord, may I permit to mention one matter for upgradation? My lord, this is a hearing matter of MSCC since long it has been running in the list. My lord, paper book is reading. I am for the claimant opposite party. Can it be possible tomorrow, any day fixed? Can be.
No,
heard
no,
the matter?
upgradation. There are so many matters, it will be taken up.
As
Don't
you-
worry.
Great.
It will be taken. Which item?
Item number 36, madam.
30.
36.
It will be taken up.
Grateful, madam.
For admission.
For admission. FMAT.
For judgment, item number 1.
FMA 59.
Item number 3, 4.
Lordship, item number 3 and 4, Lordship. I am for the respondent, Lordship. Lordship, we have just received the brief yesterday night, Lordship.
Please speak on mic is
Lordship, we have received the brief yesterday night only, Lordship.
yesterday night.
Yes, Lordship.
So what required? Only the prayer, I think, transfer. The
Lordship,
case-
kindly, Lordship.
the
Give us some time,
prayer-
Lordship.
transfer of the proceeding of title suit from one court to another.
Lordship, I am not prepared with the brief, Lordship. Kindly make it Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday,
Yes, Lordship.
Tuesday, 7th,
Okay, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
on the prayer of learned council appear. Further construction না করে পরে for hearing.
Item number 10.
In this case, I am instructed to appear on
Why a
behalf of
special messenger has not
the-
been?
not been done
uh,
because TCR has not arrived because they have not deputed.
What short possible? Yesterday nobody was there.
Special
You have appeared.
The cost title in the memo of epic, my lord, in this matter.
Yodita special manager was to
So you cure the defect. Any report mentioned in the memo of appeal?
My lord.
Yes, there is some defect.
It is liberty upon us to amend the cost title of the memo of epic, my lord.
At least this matter. By the adjourned date করবে, হ্যাঁ? By the adjourned date.
Item number 18.
এসি গুলো কম করা যাবে না? এসি গুলো কম করা যাবে না? এসি কম করে দাও তো একটু। হ্যাঁ।
18.
দেখুন, লাইনটা কেটে দিন। Can to dispose. Paper book direction was there? No paper book direction was there? তাহলে লিখে দিন।
Item 19,
Item number 9. Who's appearing is Madam Lordship. He is only
Passover. You are appearing
for the
for
respondent.
respondents, okay. This matter was heard on.
Yes, partly heard,
on
Your Honor.
earlier. Okay, Passover.
item 20,
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, we have already informed the advocate of the insurance company. My lord, kindly allow me a short pass. Oh, sorry, that's not the insurance company, but the UBSTC, advocate of the UBSTC.
Hmm.
My lord, kindly allow me a short pass over. I will try to reach him, my lord.
Whether tribunal has awarded compensation in your favor.
My lord.
So why you have agreed?
My lord, this is the similar matter to that of the Gadi for which my lord has already.
Oh, 5 lakhs.
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, the tribunal has granted 3,28,500 units
Mhm.
instead of the fixed compensation of 5 lakh.
Considering the notional income of rupees 3,000,
My lord.
it should be 5 lakhs lump sum amount.
Well as the 5%.
5% increment as well as interest has been granted.
Kindly allow us a high rate of interest, my lord. Only 6% interest.
6% is okay. 6 to 7% is okay. Now I will enhance the compensation to the who is there.
Advocate Vikramaditya Ghosh was supposed to appear for the other class.
So Passover, I'm keeping Passover. Ask him to appear. Either junior may appear. So this can be disposed of.
Trying to reach him, my lord.
Passover.
item 23,
Yes.
In this case, your lord wants to see if we have deposited the Saturday deposit or not. Or should we have a copy?
So TCR has already received. TCR has already received. So would you like to prepare the paper book or already prepared? Admitted? No admission.
No. Somehow I misplaced the application not.
So I am posting this matter before the next circuit bench. In the meantime, you file an application. Otherwise, how? No, already there. Already recorded there from the office report. I have not any direction was given. in
My
the
lord,
order sheet.
my lord, in this
अच्छा, এটা
matter.
লিখে দিন, please.
item number 24 with 25,
এইটাই তো হলো না ওটা 23 হলো আচ্ছা ঠিক
item number 24 with 25,
Paswan,
Grant me a short pass for my lord. Will senior will be conducting the hearing, my lord.
you can proceed.
My lord,
My
this is
Who is the other side?
I am respondent number 2.
What are the grounds for? I will assist.
My lord, there are several grounds. First ground is that the local income.
Where is the paper book? Paper book is filed. Yes, paper book is there. So
Kindly kindly grant me a short passover, my lord. My senior will conduct this hearing, my lord. This is a very vital matter. I don't think I'm eligible to do
My
that.
No, no, you are capable. You can start.
Okay, my lord, my first ground for appeal is that the tribunal only considered rupees 3,300 per month as the notional income instead and in place of 9,000 per month, my lord. My lord, also,
What he was doing at the
he
time
was a
of
cobbler, my lord.
Huh?
He was a cobbler.
cobbler. So what is the latest judgment of the Supreme Court regarding national income?
My lord, there
What
is
would be
several
the,
judgment of Supreme Court. I
Yeah.
have brought several one. First, there is Sharuthi Borman case, which is basically our case where the deceased was a vegetable vendor, where the Supreme Court has granted 9,000 rupees per month as a notional income, my lord. I am giving you the copy of the said judgment, my lord.
anybody prove that he was a cobbler?
My lord,
Independent
there is
witness?
PW1 where the petitioner witness,
PW1 is.
the petitioner witness, my lord,
No,
who had
any
stated.
other outsider?
No, my lord, there is no other income proof.
So how it is, court can come to conclusion that he was a cobbler? What would be the national income if nobody can prove his income?
My lord, it
As
should
per
be
latest-
9,000 rupees per month at least, my lord.
Is there any authority recent?
My lord, actually, there is a judgment called Hitesh Nagji Bhai Rabadi, where it was held by the Supreme Court that when while considering the notional income of the deceased, the tribunal should consider the minimum wage of the skilled labor according to the data of the
There
West
is
Bengal
difference
government.
between skilled and unskilled labor. Even if we consider the unskilled labor, what would be the daily wages as per the West Bengal government notification? Do you have the notification of the West Bengal government?
My lord, I have one, but
Uh-huh.
it is dated 2017, where the unskilled labor.
When the
This incident took place in the year 2020.
20.
But right now I have in hand is that
At that point of time, what was the minimum wage?
for unskilled labor, it was given as 7,546, and for semi-skilled labor, it was 8,300, and for skilled labor, it was 9,131. But my lord, it was in the year
So if we
2017.
consider semi-skilled, then
But
it
my
would
lord,
be
it was
7,000.
my lord, it was in the year of 2017, my lord. But considering the present day of economy, it should be more than that.
More than that, okay. Next argument?
My lord, my next ground is that no future prospect was assessed by the learned tribunal. I mean, the deceased was 50 years old at the time of accident. So 10% future prospect should be granted by the learned tribunal.
As per the judgment of the
As per the judgment of the pronouncement, my lord.
Chronicity, okay.
And also, my lord, the third ground is that no rate of interest has been considered by the learned tribunal, my lord.
So
I have
first
several
first
judgments.
is income,
Uh-huh.
second is
Second is the future prospect, which should be 10%, my lord. My lord, may I submit the copy of Sharuthi Borman case? It is a very recent case, my lord.
and another
Another is that no interest has been awarded.
Oh, no interest.
My lord, there is also another point regarding the general damage.
What general damages has caused?
My lord, actually, under the heading of general damage, there is loss of consortium. There is
Yes, that was
loss of
not
estate and
granted.
funeral expense.
That was
But my
not
lord,
granted.
My lord, it was granted, but less amount has been granted. My lord, actually, there is a very landmark judgment of Supreme Court, Nanuram case. I have the copy. I'm going to submit it. Actually, under that judgment, the judgment has expanded the meaning of consortium, where filial consortium, parental consortium, and spousal consortium, 3 type of consortium has been considered. So when it comes to the children of the deceased, they are entitled to get the parental consortium. When it comes to the parents of the deceased, they are entitled to get the filial consortium. And in case of death of the spouse, the other one will get the spousal consortium. So, my lord, in this case, in our hand, the claimants are the wife and 3 children of the deceased. So accordingly, each
Wife
one of,
and 3 children.
my lord, and according to Nanuram judgment, each one of them should be granted 40,000 separately.
40,000.
My lord, I have the
In
judgment,
that,
Nanuram.
in that judgment, where the incident was occurred,
My lord, kindly let me check.
in that judgment.
And also, my lord, there is another judgment, P. Padmavat, which has followed the Nanuram judgment as well. My lord, I'm
No,
giving
that
you
is
both the
case to
copies.
case that is depend upon the case to case.
No,
and
no,
the
my
person
lord.
to person.
No, my lord. In all
If a
cases, it
person
was
died,
held that
a doctor died,
each of
that
the
would
dependent
not-
is granted with the filial consortium or the spousal consortium or the parental consortium, my lord. Each of the claimant is entitled to get that consortium, my lord. My lord, here is the judgment.
Okay. Any other point?
My lord, here is the judgment of Nanuram as well as the judgment of P. Padmavat, which has followed the principle of Nanuram, my lord. I have named it out of the book.
Sarathi Burman, which paragraph you are relying?
My lord, in the last paragraph, I guess. My lord, kindly give me a minute.
Monthly income 9,000.
My lord,
Okay, 6 paragraph.
in the paragraph number 6, my lord.
6, okay. And Megma General Insurance Company Limited is regarding
Is regarding the
Consortium.
consortium given to each of the claimant,
21
be
paragraph.
it the filial consortium or be it the parental or be it the spousal consortium, my lord.
And that was further reiterated in 2026 in B.
P. Padmavat case.
Which paragraph?
My lord, from para number 12 to 33.
30. Okay, this is okay. Now, come to any other grounds? Do
Also,
you
my
have
lord, just one last point, that is, there is a provision given under Pronatiety that there should be 10% increment on general damage from 2017 till the date of order, my lord.
So according to you, what would be the total compensation? Have you calculated?
My lord, we
Do
have
you have
not
any
calculated.
calculation?
No, my lord, right now I don't really have a calculation in hand, but I can do it right now.
Monday you can give.
My lord, Monday is
Tuesday,
actually
Tuesday.
grateful, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I am, in this case, I have a cross. Cross, I
Yes,
cannot
yes, there are
separate
two.
it.
Why you have come?
I am just, this is a very big matter. Lordship, first of all, I am not against the claimant. Lordship. And I have no grievances against the claim. I am the United India Insurance Company. In this case, the insurance company filed the WS, additional WS. My paper book is there. 2 WS there, 3 WS are there. And the Balaji Enterprise, that is the showroom owner, also filed the WS. I have an
Balaji?
Enterprise.
He did not, they did not contest the case.
Respondent number 2.
Balaji Enterprises, okay.
Yeah, filed.
They did not file any appeal.
No, not filed any. The appeal is against the United India Insurance Company.
Yes.
The insurance company issued the road risk policy, Lordship. Road risk. The policy is the road risk policy, sir.
What type of policy?
Policy, I have explained that.
Road
Risk package policy.
policy,
To
yes.
the Balaji Enterprise, Lordship.
To?
To Balaji Enterprise. This road risk policy was issued on policy to the Balaji Enterprise, and this policy was issued on the basis of trade license, Lordship. It is not a general policy. This is not a third party only policy. It is not a third party policy. It is a trade license based policy, Lordship. Now, what is the road risk policy?
No,
Lordship,
this road risk package policy is for a particular vehicle.
now for a particular vehicle, it is basically a transit policy, Lords. Transit policy means-
During sale.
Up to sale.
No, sale always confirm in the showroom itself.
Yes, that is
So
our point.
Why road risk package policy?
Was issued only to the factory to showroom.
Showroom.
And the risk of the vehicle was under coverage of this policy. If there is any accident, is
Factory to
factory
to
to
showroom.
showroom. And some distance, if the showroom was giving any type of fare or anything, there is a certain condition is there, and it is
When
only
sale-
1 year.
When sale was occurred,
I am just coming, sir. The risk of the vehicle was under cover. Plan to showroom and the demonstration purpose only. And for the demonstration purpose. That is affair, sir. The policy was for demonstration. The policy was concerned till the sale of the vehicle. At the time when the vehicle was sold to the third party, at that very much moment, the policy cover has expired. Up to sale, Lordship. If they sold anyone, at
what
that time,
what type of condition was there?
what type
If
of,
I purchase a vehicle today,
yes,
you issue the insurance policy today itself.
today, yes,
Today itself to the
Yes.
owner.
yes, Lordship. That is the law, Lordship. I am just giving the Supreme Court guideline. I have
In
already.
the showroom itself.
No, showroom have considered the third party risk policy at that very much time. Without policy, the vehicle cannot be
Sold. Cannot be sold.
or registered. I have specifically guideline, and Supreme Court guideline is always annexed there. I am also the,
Generally, whenever the vehicles sale or sold, the insurance, the company take the insurance policy amount. With
Balaji
the-
Enterprise.
With the sale
Balaji
amount.
Enterprise or the third party, the purchaser can easily take the policy from any insurance company. That is the law. I am just giving this latest judgment and the guideline of the judgment. I have already page number, Lordship. Please go to my paper 14, page number.
Page 14
No.
or paragraph?
In my paper book, Lordship. I have paper book already submitted.
No, in judgment,
In judgment, this is another judgment. This is confirmed by this judgment also. The guideline and the
your appeal is 74 or paper book?
56.
Only one paper book.
One, only. Just
Page number
14.
14. Yes, 14.
Everything is there, Lordship. It is a basic judgment, and page number 18. Page number 18.
This is page number 14 is affidavit in chief of eyewitness.
No, page 18, Lordship. 14, 15,
14.
14, 15, 18, Lordship.
14.
No, another paper book is there, Lordship. Another paper book is there, just for ready reference.
This
My
one.
lord, I have not found this paper book.
Page 14.
14. Yeah, আমি কমপ্লিট করি তারপরে তুমি আরেকদিন টাইম নিন দেখে নিন 14 and it is
That is
specifically
Supreme
written.
Court judgment.
Yes,
Supreme Court
Supreme Court
judgment.
judgment.
Copy of Supreme Court
Supreme
judgment.
Court judgment.
Okay.
18, page 18 also. Lordship. First,
18.
Supreme Court committed on the road safety held on Atho recorded that they are about to correct the vehicle plying on the road, and vehicle have the mandatory third party policy, Lordship. First paragraph. Mandatory third party policy, and third party policy for 3 years for new purchase of the car, Lordship. At least 3 years. For the 4-wheeler, it is 3 years, and for the 2-wheelers, it is for 5 years. That is the mandate. And the government order 22 page, Lordship.
This was the guideline given by the Supreme Court,
Supreme Court.
only guideline.
Guideline and 22 page. Accordingly, the government of India
Yes, Government of India.
Government of India notification.
Yes,
Yes. That is the, if in case of sale, there must be a 3 years policy and 1 year policy. And now the latest judgment I have filed, Lordship.
This
Supreme
one.
Court.
which
I have already
paragraph,
marked the
which paragraph you are?
paragraph 24. Motor vehicle cannot ply the public place nor is allowed to use public place unless insured.
Okay, anything more?
And yes, Lordship, I'm not there.
Yes,
Page 385 of the judgment.
385,
385.
yes.
Register of the court is directed to circulate the copy of the judgment to the register of all high courts and bindings upon all the high courts.
Yes,
My Lordship, please come to page 6 of my
6 of your
yes,
compilation. Yes.
that
Six.
that is the written statement of the Balaji Enterprise.
Yes,
It was given with affidavit, Lordship. That point number 2, Lordship, that we sold the vehicle to
in question Mahindra tractor model number so and so
everything was vacant.
with trolley dated, trolley,
Trolley with
challan so and so.
on
Trolley,
31/10/2020.
Trolley means, what is that?
Trolley with trolley. That means tractor with trolley. Engine number and chassis number is there, Lordship. Dated 31/10/2020, Lordship.
Yes,
And the accident took place on 2/11 accident. 22nd November. 2/11/2020.
2020.
That is the vehicle already sold to someone else. I don't know, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, I have repeatedly summoned in lower court report, Lordship. I have repeatedly summoned the owner, the Balaji Enterprise, but they did not turn out in the court.
No, second paragraph of the WS, additional WS filed by the Balaji. It is stated that after purchasing the vehicle, the owner was kept the vehicle in the showroom for 2 days.
2 days.
Due to his driver was not available. Later on 2/11/2020, at about 4 p.m. from the showroom and about 4:30 p.m., the manager of the showroom came to learn that the vehicle was met accident in the way of purchaser house.
So why? So they already sold. At that time, when the sold occurred, at that very much time, our policy was expired. And they, as per Supreme Court guideline, they have to purchase 3 years policy minimum.
Can you show me from your policy that your policy was expired as and when the vehicle sold?
So I have annexed, Lordship, road risks policy condition. Everything is there. Where page 25, 27.
No, please show me. Wait. Show me.
Lordship. বলবো তো, আরম্ভ করে নি? হ্যাঁ বলবো। পেজ 28, রেজিস্ট্রেশন।
This is the insurance policy.
This is the registration, Lordship. Registration means everything, Lordship.
No, no, where is the policy? Copy of the policy.
Policy copy, already they have annexed. Paper.
45 of your paper book. 45.
At the top, Lordship, your insurance.
45, yes.
So 13 to 2022, 2022, midnight 12 to 2021.
Yes, policy.
An accident occurred, Lordship.
Prior to 2021.
Lordship.
Within the coverage.
Within or. Lordship, I have just,
But this period is only for road risks.
wrote this,
If-
state certificate base.
If it is not sold prior to 2021, if it is sold, then what would happen?
Page 11, Lordship, my.
11.
Whether you in the site of Clement or you are in the site of Balaji Enterprise, first to define.
Yes, 11. Yes,
Page
please.
11. I have marked it. While bearing trade license numbers.
Whenever you file any document or any judgment, you should not mark.
Okay, Lordship, I am just.
This is the practice.
Sometimes, yes, Lordship. Some.
You should not indicate.
Okay, apologize.
Yes, next.
That
So
is the
this-
trade certificate number and the control with break of trade certificate numbers.
No, the period of insurance is 13 February 2020 to midnight 12 to 2021.
And that it is issued on the basis of trade certificate only.
Whatever may be, but the period when
Period
the
is covered.
insurance was covered.
If
So
it
you are
is,
liable, who will be liable?
Lordship, if the vehicle was get accident in the time
No,
of,
please show your terms and condition applicable in your policy. That period may be whatever may be the period, but please let him complete there. No, please, one by one, otherwise it will be difficult for court to understand.
Lordship, I will give in the details, please give me 1 day.
One day.
I will come to tomorrow, Lordship.
Because each and every insurance policy, there must be a terms and
I'm just
condition
confirming.
and the period of policy valid.
Valid.
If the policy comes within the accident comes within the validity period, you are liable.
Yes.
You are liable.
Come to page number 18, Lordship.
Oh, he asked for tomorrow.
Kindly see, Lordship, there are-
Page in your paper book.
Lordship, here-
Page number 8,
18, Lordship.
18.
Kindly see the Lordship cross-examination. Everything will be clear, Lord.
Yes.
Presently, I have posted as assistant manager insurance company limited, Jalpaiguri division. It is fact that exhibit 6, that is insurance policy, has been issued from our office. It is fact that insurance policy is issued for 1 year. It is accurate position. The insurance policy exhibit 6 was enforceable from 13 to 2020 to 12 to 21. The policy number is mentioned in exhibit 6. The insurance policy was issued in favor of MS Balaji Enterprise.
No, his contention is different. His
Different
contention is road
Road risk.
risk policy is only for the purpose of
Transit.
transit between the factory to the showroom, number one. And when the purchaser come to the showroom, only for showing or what we can say that
Lordship, this answer is lying in the judgment of the past by the time, Lordship.
his contention, I have to go through his contention first, then he will reply.
Because Lordship, page number
अरे
26.
बोल भी
that
थे।
is crystal clear, Lordship.
Tomorrow you will get chance.
Okay, actually, I was traveling to my house, actually my house, Lordship,
Hmm.
from the showroom, Lordship. And there is a distance, it has been clearly mentioned. What is the maximum radius I can travel? So that has been clearly mentioned from the, reflect from the judgment of the tribunal, actually, page number 26, line clearly.
Okay, he is also relying some judgment of the Supreme Court. I will consider tomorrow, let him finish tomorrow, you will get chance. It will be this matter. Yes, do you have?
Pay my homage. I will not travel your lordship here, my
Okay,
lord.
okay. So you had a matter?
But I, in the next court. I got to know that your lordship is
Completed?
sitting, my lord. No, no, will happen, my lord, from 3.
Okay. Alone you come or some team?
No, my lord, I have come, my lord. No team, my lord.
There are 3 days holiday.
Monday holiday, my lord.
Ah,
If not known to me, then I would have fixed it on Friday. My-
26.
Yes,
Of the petitioner, my lord, kindly fix the matter on 7th, my lord.
7. Who is other side? Nobody is appearing.
Somebody else will be appearing there on 7th, my lord. As for the insurance company. my lord.
Please this matter on.
কত নম্বর?
27.
It's the same matter, Lordship, on national income.
Notional income.
National income. We have,
Interest has been awarded, and moreover, only 6,000 has been granted as notional income. Actually, we are paying, this is, we paid 12,000 as notional income, but 6,000 has been granted.
So according to you, what would be the actual income, notional income? 9,000 was considered. It is higher side the tribunal has considered.
Only 6,000 has been considered, Lordship. An accident occurred in the year, Lordship,
What was doing the victim at the time of accident?
student, Lordship,
it
student,
was a private tutor.
Student. So
Private
Student.
private tutor.
student, page 11,
Please,
student
let me
and.
allow for you take, you submit first or I
Okay,
will
okay.
submit first.
Just,
So he was a
tutor,
22 years old.
tutor.
Tutor, private tutor, Lordship, 22 years old. Now the Lordship, the accident occurred, Lordship, in the year, Lordship, 2021, Lordship. So in the recent past. So there's some.
Yes,
Lordship, I am relying on the recent judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. So I was, I had, actually, I was really fortunate to appear before the Lordship, before the division bench of the Honorable Supreme Court, comprising the Honorable Justice Asanuddin Amanda Nahar Mahadevan Lordship. So I was really fortunate. And in the state judgment, Lordship, I am referring my own judgment. In the state judgment, the accident occurred in the year 2017, Lordship. So in the state case, the deceased was a vegetable vendor, Lordship.
Hmm.
So the contention actually came up from the side of the insurance company that actually since there was no document to support the content, to support the income of the deceased, so there is no proof of income. Hence, tribunal has considered rupees 5,000 per month.
So I was challenging the order of the Honorable Calcutta High Court passed by the Honorable Justice Ajay Kumar Mukherjee. So challenging that order, I preferred an SLP, and that SLP has been allowed, and subsequently civil appeal was registered and finally disposed of in the recent past, Lordship, in the month of February 2026. So in the said judgment, Lordship, Honorable Division Bench considered that at least 10,000 should be considered, considering the economy, considering the growing economy. So every time it is not possible for the deceased or the petitioner to produce any document, supporting document in support of the contention. So suppose someone is doing someone is a vegetable vendor. So it's not possible for the petitioner to carry the document or to produce a document that he was. So considering the market price and the
And
inflation,
for that reason, notional income.
most of them has been considered 10,000. So subsequently, since I have claimed rupees 9,000, so Honorable Apex Court considered 9,000. Accident occurred in the year 2017. Now the present case in hand, Lordship, accident occurred in the year 2021. So I have claimed rupees 12,000, Lordship. Let it be 9,000 at least, Lordship. I'm just relying upon my
So
own judgment.
You are comparing with the private tutor and the
Private
vegetable
tutor.
tutor. Vegetable
That's-
seller has a
that is
everyday income.
That's why I'm claiming
Ah.
rupees 9,000, Lordship.
And private tutor,
Accident occurred in the
there
year.
is no student,
There
no
was,
income.
Lordship, there was a time when I was.
Only during examination.
Lordship, I'm just sharing my own experience, Lordship. When I was a student, I used to do tuitions, Lordship.
And you
just-
are well experienced.
Lordship, rupees 100 per month, Lordship. Per student, rupees 100 I used to get. In the year 1996, 97,
How
98.
many students you tutored?
I had 20 or 50 students, Lordship, at that time. So I used to
So
run
you
my
calculate
I used to run my bread and
2,000
butter.
rupees at that point. of
Lordship,
time.
at the now per student, Lordship, charging to 2,000, 3,000,
Now
4,000.
every year private tutor is now
Now prohibited. Now, prohibited by the state government.
prohibited and now coaching centers come.
Lordship. That's now the recent development, Lordship. But in my time, Lordship, there was no perception of coaching center, Lordship. So this is one of the things, Lordship. And moreover, no
So
interest.
you are asking for 9,000
and this is, Lordship,
similar as
9,000 relying
vegetable
upon my
seller.
own judgment, Lordship, which has been passed by the Apex Court, Lordship. Sharathi Bormon, which has been reported in
Another
PSC.
point regarding
And no interest was granted. No
no
interest was
interest granted.
no interest was granted, Lordship.
Nothing.
Nothing, absolutely nothing. আর কি বলি জানো?
জেনারেল ড্যামেজের হচ্ছে কনসোর্টিয়ামটা হলো কনসোর্টিয়ামটা
কত হচ্ছে?
Anything more?
কত দিয়েছে কত? Lordship, one more point, Lordship. Jail damage, Lordship, only considered rupees 30,000, Lordship. Funeral expenses and loss of estates on the so only 2 heads have been counted considered at the time of passing judgment, Lordship, but one more head which has been actually not considered, that is filial consortium. And in support of my concern, Lordship, I am relying upon the judgment of Nanuram, Lordship. Your Lordship, as an experienced judge, Lordship knows it very well. In the Nanuram case, it has been categorically defined that a term consortium, and that there are 3 types of consortium. One is parental consortium, one is spousal consortium, and another is filial consortium. Parental, filial, and spousal. So, case in hand, Lordship, it should be filial consortium. So another 40,000 should be added, which has not been considered, Lordship. So these are the 3 grounds, Lordship. Lordship.
Can you give me the reference of Nanuram?
Nanuram, Lordship. Nanuram, hey, this is the judgment, Lordship.
Yes.
Nanuram. আর কোনটা
Yes.
Lordship, one more judgment, Lordship, I am relying upon, which has been for a consortium, Lordship. That is P. Padmavati, so Bharat Texas.
based on the principle of non.
2026.
And this is based on the ratio and principle of the Nanuram, Lordship.
15% on general level.
Next.
Lordship, page 1.
In this case, paper book is not there. Paper book. আগে ফাইল করা আছে তো Yes.
Page one,
Yes, page one,
number
yes.
4.
number 4, serial number, yes. Student
Student and
private. The student can also be a
No,
private.
I have no
tutor.
objection in that.
Yes.
20 words, I have no objection in
Yes,
that.
suppose
No,
some
I am not, no objection. I am just telling that he's not student. I am saying that he was stated that he is student. Second point is that, Lordship, there is no hard and fast rule is that it is 9,000, 8,000. There, no, sir. I am referring to 3 judgments of the Supreme Court recent judgments. They have only 5,000, 6,000.
That is depend
And
upon the
in case of,
situation.
yes. And if they follow the minimum wage, that he is not the laborer. I am just giving 2 or 3 judgments. 6,000 is enough. And in case of interest, Lordship, it
They
may
are
be
entitled.
considered, but there is no laches or fault in the part of the insurance company. So the
Insurance is not
right-
for damages or anything else. This is a creation of fund. If you
For?
pay some fund 10 years back, that amount would automatically increase.
I am
That's
not
why interest we grant.
Yeah, I did it.
We do not think that whose laches the matter was not
No,
heard.
no. I am not argued on this point, Lordship.
So only you are asking for 6,000 is a
6,000,
genuine,
Yes. It is fair
genuine
judgment.
assessment.
Father and mother is there only. And considerium case, I am just Bibigiri's judgment is there after the Nanuram judgment also. The Supreme Court, it is not an, my plea is that there is no hard and first rule. It is not bindings upon all the high court that 8,000 or 6,000 or 12,000. It will depend case to case, Lord. If it is stated that it is 8,000, we all the insurance company will oblige to maintain this 8,000. But there is no 8,000 or 6,000 or 5,000 here. Guideline is there. Absolutely. No, I'm the bully.
Yes. Anything more?
No.
Madam,
We have already paid the total amount, Lordship.
already paid.
Paid all, and they have withdrawn the money also.
Lordship, one more thing may be recorded, Lordship. Date of filing is 1/6/2021. It's not there.
When?
1/6/2021.
1/6/20.
2021. Date of filing.
Do you have any calculation?
Let me check once, Lordship. If not, Lordship, I will come back tomorrow with the calculation.
We may file tomorrow that another one also.
কত দিন যাবে তত ভালো।
Item 28. Lordship, I have been.
Same though. Same though, na?
Death case.
Death case, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, deceased was only 36 years old, Lordship. Met with an accident and income was 6,760 per month.
Income was
6,760 per month. He was a coupon collector of Maxi Taxi under Secretary Maxi Taxi Owner Association.
6,760.
60. Lordship. So in Dhupguri bus stand under Jalpaiguri district, Lordship,
So there
he
is
was
no
there.
dispute between the income.
Lordship, there is no
Of the
dispute from
victim.
our side, Lordship. But in support of the contention, Lordship, he could not produce anything, but he was a collector, actually, coupon collector in the bus stand, Lordship. So, but tribunal, Lordship, considered only 5,000, Lordship. Only 5,000 has considered, Lordship.
When the date of accident?
Accident occurred in the year, Lordship,
7/1/2013.
7/1/2013, Lordship. Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, no interest has been awarded.
No interest.
No interest, Lordship.
Anything more your?
Lordship, apart from this, Lordship, parental consortium, Lordship, 40,000 and spousal consortium, 80,000. Total 1,20,000 should be added.
No,
Hmm?
দেখছি।
Mhm.
Parental ওটা উল্টে লিখছি, spousal consortium 40,000, parental consortium 80,000, ওটা লিখছি।
Whatever may be.
Hmm.
Total
Total 1,20,000.
1,20,000 should be added to that. Spousal, both the parents are entitled 40,000 each. And
Spouse.
and
No, no, with the parents, wife,
oh, wife, son, and daughter.
Yeah, these are-
Right. Total 14 to 3, Lordship. That is 1,20,000. Not clear.
Spousal and parental.
Spousal and parental. And in support of that, Lordship, that judgment of Padmavat versus Bharati Eksa, that judgment we have already referred in the earlier case, Lordship.
none.
So, no,
Multiplier, okay, no problem.
Lordship,
Multiplier.
multiplier, okay, Lordship. We are not disputing that. So, no interest has not been granted. And Lordship, that part, Lordship, that amount has only, income has only considered, Lordship, 5,000, Lordship.
Future prospect considered.
And parental consortium, spousal consortium has not been added, Lordship. So these are the three grounds, Lordship.
10% interest on the
27
consortium.
Yes,
Lordship, the accident took place in the 2013. 5,000 is enough, Lordship, at that time. And page of the judgment, totally, the learned tribunal categories in part A do not find anything, page 26,
yes, fail to prove the income.
income, they have to prove the income. And in case of delay filing, I have latest judgment of the Supreme Court, 4 judgments. If they
Delay
file the
filing?
delay in appeal, and the interest should not be granted on that period. 4 judgments are there, Lordship.
This is a mandatory, Lordship. 171 provision is clear,
Provisions,
Lordship.
but it is clear,
171 is clear, Lordship.
4 judgments I am referring.
CFCD কে বলতে 6,500 টাকা দিয়েছে। 6,500 টাকা দিয়ে আবার 1,500 দিয়েছে।
Lordship, I am referring one judgment, Lordship, which has been passed by the Apex Court in the year 2014, Lordship.
Insurance company.
Accident occurred in the year 2011.
In case of interest, Lordship, the Supreme
Lordship.
Court is now very much strict. That you are filing after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and yet the insurance company is liable to pay interest.
Lordship, I am
should not be
referring.
granted.
Judgment, if the appeal is filed with a delay, then interest should not be granted.
Granted
Lordship.
on that period.
10% দেওয়া যেটা আমি already দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
Page, just go to the next page, Lordship. Next page, Lordship. 8 number.
Yes.
There is a category of judgment, Lordship, in favor of interest, Lordship. I am referring judgments.
Every judgment, Lordship. I am just for your
This is
reference.
also Supreme Court judgment.
I am also
4
referring,
judges
I am also
judgments are
referring
there,
Supreme
Lordship.
Court judgment
4,
where
latest 2020.
9% interest has been granted, Lordship, in Supreme Court.
I am just giving 26 to
Is
26.
there any
judgment.
parity? Someone is granting
Lordship, this is
7%,
absolutely,
6%,
Lordship. Your
4%,
Lordship,
9%, 12%.
Lordship rightly may say it, Lordship. This is the fact, Lordship.
But
Different-
my view is
Lordship.
the fixed deposit interest should be granted.
Absolutely, Lordship. Absolutely.
Hmm.
I totally agree with you,
But
Lordship.
excluding the period of delay file.
No, there is a different opinion.
4 judgment,
Different opinions.
I will narrate my view.
Lordship,
my
Lordship,
judgment.
Lordship,
Because
yes, yes.
interest,
ওটা কোনটা দিলে?
I am just giving 4
Lordship,
judgments.
I am
latest judgment.
referring one judgment here, Lordship. Since the accident here occurred in the year 2013.
11.
No, let me, case in hand, Lordship, accident occurred in the year 2013, Lordship. So I'm here referring one judgment, Lordship, where the accident occurred in the year 2011, Lordship. When the judgment has been passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the year 2014, where notional income has been granted rupees 6,500. I'm referring the judgment.
Depend actually.
Income is depend
Lordship,
upon the
Lordship,
facts and
I leave it to your Lordship, I
circumstances
leave
of
it to your
the case
Lordship,
because
considering the present
there
economy
is
and
no
the
state jacket
Lordship.
formula in the
Lordship,
the
different,
legislative, social legislation is there,
Lordship.
so different view, different time.
Lordship, I leave it
different
to your
case,
Lordship.
so
Lordship, I leave it to your Lordship, considering the present market price and inflation rate, everything keeping in mind, Lordship. I believe that Lordship will pass the appropriate judgment. This is Sir Saddiqui judgment, 6,500 has been granted. And that is on the point of interest, last one, Kushma Begum. That is on the point of interest, Lordship.
which one earlier, it was. given
Earlier one,
the
earlier on the point of interest.
Kausuma Begum,
Absolutely,
that
Lordship.
is regarding interest,
Interest point, 9% interest has been granted by the
and this was regarding income.
Lordship. 6,500 is granted by the accident occurred in the year 2011. Way back
Which can you say the paragraph?
Absolutely, Lordship. That's so sorry.
So that is you,
Para
it-
number 11, ninth number point.
which one,
Lordship.
interest part?
Lordship, it is in the page number 5, in the last paragraph, my lord. Page number 5 in the very,
24,
in the very last paragraph.
yes, 24.
24.
And regarding income,
Income, Lordship, so sorry.
Sahi hai.
Yes, in point number 9, my lord.
9, 6,500. Vegetable vendor, 9.
9, Lordship. Should I read out?
Anything more?
I am referring the judgment of the Supreme Court 2026 in the year 2026, 7-26. It is 6%.
9%. Lordship, the judgment,
Lordship.
Lordship, I have referred the judgment which was passed in the year 2026, Lordship.
And it is
9%, 9% has been
And
granted, Lordship.
I am referring the judgment of 2026 February. It is
So leave it. So Lordship, both of us leaving the Lordship.
Discretionary power.
Lordship will
applies
not
discretionary power,
seriously.
Lordship. Grateful, Lordship. Next
The
year.
hearing concluded.
maybe.
Item number 29.
Yes, Lordship. I am for the appeal and your Lordship.
I'm for the respondent.
Ready, both sides ready?
Lordship, actually, in this case, my senior was going to conduct hearing virtually, but he wrote some
Difficulties.
in Darjeeling. So I've been handed over written notes of argument. And
So you
compilation
can
of-
proceed.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll proceed.
Okay. Yes.
Copy.
Written notes.
Paper book, where is the paper book?
Paperwork is ready.
Today you are filing?
No, sir, it was, we had filed before.
Oh, achha.
Lordship, and compilation of judgment.
How many judgments you are referring? What are the grounds for challenge?
Rounds of challenge, Your Lordship, at the very outset, the interest has been given us from 2016, and it is a case of 2009. If Your Honor sees the judgment at the last page, it has been mistakenly noted as 2016.
So
case.
you are asking for interest from the date of filing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Percentage, what was the percentage granted by the
Percentage has
tribunal?
been granted, Your Lordship, 6.5.
6%.
Yes, Lordship. 6% per annum. They have granted. Thereafter, Your Lordship, a benefit of future prospects has not been granted. And the salaries, Your Lordship, the income was calculated only 3,000. There should be increment in increase of rupees 500 per month for successive year. Thereafter, loss of state of rate.
What should be according to you? The income?
As per me, Your Lordship, I've given the chart in the back seat of WLV.
What he was doing
10,000.
at the time of accident?
Your lordship, I was at the age of 30. 30
No,
years.
no, at the time of accident, what was he was doing?
I was a driver.
Driver?
Yes, your lordship.
Driver of
Commercial vehicle.
commercial vehicle.
Yes. I used to drive the car, commercial cars.
Any oral evidence you did
It
not
could
brought?
not be established before the court, your lordship, as per the order sheet. We have placed the driving license.
Driving
Yes,
license,
your
only driving license.
Yes, your lordship.
That is commercial.
Yes, your lordship.
Driving
It's in-
license
it's
was
in page
commercial
number-
or
Your lordship, the driving license is in page number 77,
77?
77, 78, 79,
It is illegible. How we can read it?
and 80, your lordship.
It is very difficult to read.
As far as I know, it was a commercial, but
You know, where is that?
it has been effort, but it's not legible, your lordship.
Can you read? Any seizure list was there?
Is a list.
Correspondent.
It is not in paperwork, your lordship.
So how court can ascertain whether it was commercial
For
or
this
private?
income, I am relying upon the first judgment of
No, no,
Manjula.
do you have the original copy?
No, your lordship.
So
License it is in.
do you have exhibited for the trial?
Yes, your
tribunal?
lordship, I have exhibited.
Exhibited?
License
Which
was
exhibit?
exhibited.
Not license, driving license.
Driving license was exhibited.
Exhibited?
Yes, your lordship.
Your driving license? Not
Driver's.
driving license of the driver who has
Driving license was exhibited.
victims' driving license were exhibited?
Yes, your lordship.
Which exhibit?
Exhibit.
Exhibit number?
Driving license. Exhibit 7.
Original driving license of the deceased husband. Have you annexed this
Yes, your lordship.
in
Exhibit.
the paper book?
In the paperwork, it is there. Page number 76 to
No,
82.
no, trial court record এসছে? হ্যাঁ? এসছে?
Lordship,
1 minute. What was the age of the
At
victim?
the 30 years.
30 years.
Yes, sir.
It was not renewed.
Achha.
The driving license was renewed up to 88. Thereafter, you did not renew the driving license.
Yes, actually, it was renewed one. But then
You see,
driving license was renewed.
see from your own driving license, which was exhibited before the tribunal. So when there was no driving license, you are not driving any vehicle.
It was renewed. Your lordship, it's 08. It's 08.
88,
It's
88 or 08?
your lordship. It's 08. 23 November 08.
23 November.
08.
Let me see again.
08. 88. 88 years moment.
08 আছে? হ্যাঁ?
At the year, he was just 30 years old in the 08. His date of birth is before.
5 years, 3 years.
It's 08 years. Children will live.
Anything more?
Your Lordship, then loss of estate of estate was given to us only 5,000, Your Lordship. And funeral expenses out to be 25,000, they paid only 10,000. 5,000. Funeral expenses, only 5,000 they paid. And loss of consortium, they have only given us 2,500. And after I have given the calculations, Your Lordship, in the back sheet. WNA.
Where you have given? In the
In
argument?
WNA, Your Lordship. As per our calculation.
15 lakhs.
We ordered 4 lakh something. 5,95,000 has been paid to us.
How much money paid?
5,95,687 plus 44,000 as interest. Was paid to
We have received.
you have received.
Total how much? With interest?
6,40,000.
You have given in, given here.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have given in written as well.
Okay, yes.
Lordship, this case was filed under section 163A MB Act.
163A.
A, and now it is converted 164.
Converted.
It is converted 164 at present. It was 163. At that time, it was 163 MB Act.
No, at the time of final hearing, it was converted to 166.
No. It was 163. No, it was
What
awarded
was the income he has shown in the trial court?
3,000. 3,300.
3,000.
3,300.
300.
They sought for, and it was a case of 163A.
And award was passed under section 163.
163A.
So how 5 lakhs?
So as
After-
maximum, it is 5 lakhs.
Calculation of 5% enhancement.
Actually, as per the new act,
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs as maximum with retrospective effect. So 4 lakhs for 17,500 already given. So remaining from 5 lakhs may be awarded along with the 6% interest.
163A.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship.
So that 166 provision is not applicable here. 163A. Yes.
163.
Now maximum 5 lakhs may be given. Now 4 lakhs 17,000 was given. The remaining amount may be entitled.
What was the compensation, actual compensation amount
4,90,000.
granted by the tribunal? 4 lakhs?
4 lakhs 17,500.
17?
17,500.
17.
17,500.
500. So other provisions cannot be considered here.
163.
Yes. Anything more?
No, nothing.
Do you have that notification of amendment, that 5 lakhs?
Yes, in the, I have the book
You
164.
have book, no?
Your Lordship, if once Your Lordship goes to the order, last page, it has been noted that the MSc test number 9 of 2016, our case is 2009. Under section 163A.
So you are entitled for only under section 164 or 163 at that point of time. It
Yes.
was 163A, now it became 164. The maximum compensation, you will get only 5 lakhs rupees plus 5% increment from 1,190 and interest.
Yes.
That
From the
much,
date of time.
that much you will get.
And Learned Tribunal gave the interest from the date of 2nd July 2015 on the ground that this case was dismissed or deferred. Then restored from the time of restoration this award is given by the tribunal. And the last page of the judgment stated.
Your hearing concluded. Passover matter, both side is available.
19 was the second appeal, which was argued.
second
I
appeal.
have considered the law, we will withdraw it.
Withdraw.
We will withdraw it and file it as a first miscellaneous appeal. Now, only two prayers, the original certified copy may be returned upon the usual order, upon furnishing of photocopy. And my delay in the first miscellaneous appeal, I may get this benefit of pendency of the second appeal. That's the only two things if your lordship considers recording in the order. That's
Item
all.
number 19.
19.
That will consider by the court. Why should I indicate those things?
But may not be.
You
may not be.
already
Yes.
available. You can.
It's a matter of record, Millard. So only Millard, the certificate copy may be returned, Millard, upon furnishing of photocopies. Millard, 22, Millard, it was also passed over, Millard. I am
22,
appealing for
you
the
had-
NBSTC, North Bengal State Transport Corporation.
Yes.
Millard, my learned junior friend has handed me over a copy of the paper book, and I am informed by her that a similar order has been passed by your lordship.
That 5 lakhs rupees, I think
My
5
lord.
lakhs rupees as per notification,
Yes.
and interest portion is there. I think interest
My lord,
How
interest
much
has been granted by the learned
granted
tribunal.
by the tribunal. So you have to pay 5 lakhs rupees as a lump sum amount. from
Along
the-
with the 5% increase.
Along with 5% increment from 1190.
Oh, no. Millard, I'll just have a look at the order. If Millard kindly keeps it on Monday.
Not
Monday-
required. Not required. There are
I-
several judgments. You hand
Well, I'll
over
just-
to him, he will satisfy.
Millard, since my client has not sent any instructions, Millard, I'll just send a copy of the order to my client to get their confirmation that this is the order proposed to.
Okay, on
Can
the
you please
prayer of
provide
London.
সময় নেই।
এই যে
Item number 30.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the claimant's appellants, my lord, in this matter.
Who is other side?
My lord,
Nobody is there.
your lordships kindly consider that just before summer vacation on 20th of May, the matter was called on by the erstwhile bench when no one appeared on behalf of the respondent, sole respondent, my lord, the tea garden. So his
Do you
lordship was
want to
directed.
proceed ex parte?
Yes, my lord,
Do you
I
want
want
to-
to proceed, my lord, but I have to file in view of the earlier direction, the affidavit of service. But the service is complete, but it is with my junior, my lord. He is, my lord, still in affidavit section. So your lordships kindly make it not today, so that tomorrow I can do, my
Okay,
lord.
not
It is
today.
a very small matter,
Not today.
163, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, my lord,
Okay,
the
not-
minimum compensation.
This one,
Yes,
this
my lord,
one?
this one. Yes. Item number 30 relates to 163A matter.
Now leave
Tomorrow,
this
your
one.
lordship kindly take it tomorrow.
Item number 31.
Milord, Net Senior Counsel Shabir Ahmed is to appointed
I
for this matter over
one,
virtual
my
mode.
lord, I am for the appellant insurance company, my lord.
Who is appearing for the
My lord,
appellant?
I am for the appellant insurance company, my lord.
Okay, and who is appearing for the?
Milord, some unknown reason, Learned Senior Counsel cannot
My
be
lord.
contacted. Milord, I am praying for
My
not
lord, my-
Other side is absent.
My
Other
lord,
side is
kindly,
absent.
kindly, my lord, there is a
Yes.
can four. My lord, there is a can 4, my lord, my application for amendment.
What is can for?
For amendment, can number 4 of
No, other
2026, my
side,
lord, kindly.
other side is not there. I am keeping not today. Not
Much
today,
obliged.
inform other
Ma-
side, inform your
Milord,
senior.
Milord.
I am keeping not today.
My lord,
Madam, not today.
my
Much
lord,
obliged.
not today. I am grateful, my lord.
Item number 32.
Yes, Lordship, I on the appellant, Lordship. This is the
Where is the
paper.
other side? Where is the other side? The paper book is not found complete. So how matter can be heard?
I'm just receiving.
That should be verified and complete. What is the matter?
Lordship,
Why you have challenged
the income, Lordship, the
only income?
Yes, Lordship. The disease is the Bandhan Bank service holder, Lordship. And
So all annexer you have
yes, Lordship, I have annexed all the documents, Lordship.
all the documents. So only income.
Yes, Lordship, only income.
There is no
There
other.
is no other.
What was the income considered by the tribunal?
Lordship, tribunal considered the Lordship, tribunal considered the in net pay, Lordship, and the Only Lordship, professional tax may be deducted, Lordship. Lordship, kindly pay page number 48, Lordship, in my paper book. Last page, Lordship.
Yes.
48, yes. Your salary slip,
Yes, Lordship.
Bandhan Bank.
Lordship.
You are working as
Bandhan Bank senior officer, Lordship.
senior officer.
Yes.
Total 13,153
Yes, Lordship.
after deduction PF and professional tax.
Yes, Lordship.
7,000.
771, Lordship.
1288.
Yes, Lordship. 12,388, 82.
388.
Yes.
38.
Taken by the Lanet Tribunal, Lordship.
It was taken.
Yes, Lordship.
Correctly taken.
Not should be, it should be
Because
taken.
PF and professional tax should be deducted.
Lordship, in only Lordship, professional tax may be deducted, Lordship.
Oh, PF.
Yes, Lordship, PF should be.
You can calculate.
Only PF. PF is his own contribution. How can be from income? Very simple issue. Okay. Consortium. Anything more? Interest, not allowed interest. Interest was not allowed. No, within 2 months from the date, oh, in default. The Jalpaiguri, the practice is not allowing interest. In each and every case, there is no interest. Most of the cases, there is no interest, not each and every. Okay, interest. What judgment required regarding APF? Okay. Do you want to submit anything? PF is the general, that should not be. Interest is also is entitled.
The exact was right. And the exact is
Amount paid. All amount paid.
every case is done. Excluding the IT.
IT should be deducted. So if he would have come within the income tax slab.
If there is a, he is under income tax.
How? 12,000. 1,44,000 per year.
The accident was occurred in the year 2000.
How it comes?
At that time, it is 250,000.
Even 2,50,000.
If there is another.
See.
There's only 1,000 difference, that's it.
Hmm?
Only 1,000.
Yes, definitely your objection will be there.
It's not explained by the speed manage. Some services can come with this on the report. So, some necessary.
Okay. On the prayer of learned.
People. This is company has company again. Scottish here. Maybe
Expertise allowed compensation before the tribunal.
somebody has something there.
No, what amount awarded? Oh, first time. So what do you want now?
I am not. You said my application, you sign has not been as yet. Meantime, I will arrange.
You have filed your wakalatnama? लिखूं तो So you serve the copy today. Do you have the copy? You in the meantime, paper book be
On the earlier occasion,
You prepare a formal paper book. If there is no direction, you can file. You are insurance company. We have already deposited entire amount. This is recorded that paper book is not required. Both parties will argue the matter without paper book. So are you ready? Today?
Not matter, Lordship.
163A, Lordship, in the old act, now 160.
Stay application, Lordship. Everything is there in stay application. This is a case of Graficious passenger Lordship. The vehicle is a truck, Lordship. And page number 33, Lordship.
33.
What was the compensation awarded by the tribunal?
3,54,000, Lordship. And other three passengers already been expired, they have been given to the compensation by the same nation, same company.
When award was awarded?
Award is awarded on
2022.
22.
And when the
Order passed on 30 March
appeal was
2022.
filed?
Appeal was filed, Lordship,
In 2025.
24.
24.
24.
Delay was
2022, Lordship.
22.
Can is 24.
Can is
Long
20.
time pending gas is, Lordship.
So in this case also 5 lakhs will applicable?
Yes.
Yes, pending.
5 lakhs is applicable in this. With interest,
6%
6% is given.
already given.
So,
As
Lordship,
per, insurance company, since this is a truck, so, Gratuitous passenger case, page number 33, Lordship.
This is 163. There is no need of
163,
any
Lordship,
other.
and 5 lakhs.
They are lying on the truck, Lordship, not the out. Lying on truck is not permissible, Lordship. That's why our insurance company filed this application, Lordship. Not bus or any other vehicle, Lordship.
So they-
Truck, Lordship. And the charge sheet has been specifically mentioned that some passengers.
Which paragraph you are referring in
Page
your 33? Yes.
During investigation.
Brief facts of the case. During investigation, prima facie, driver, over the accident, some passengers.
Some passengers, yes, they are lying on the truck, Lordship. That is not permissible under the. The next page, the other passenger asked previous injury on their person. Thus, I have carry on all the formalities.
How this point dealt by the tribunal?
No, that is even not even. They raised not the W they have stock is number 14. Never said this point was never raised. Is number 14.
No, in judgment, how the tribunal assessed this issue?
The points has not been raised there. And only they have been raised the question of income. Question on income and age.
How accident took place? The vehicle overturned.
FIR, Lordship, they are lying on the roadside.
Huh?
Can you see the FIR? Lordship?
Lordship, the FIR is the
Page 29, Lordship.
29. 29. 29 is there.
Lordship, page number 29. Nutrition, right? Access, energy, নদীর ধারে গাড়িতে পিকনিক করে বাড়ি ফেরার পথে ৩১ নম্বর জাতীয় সড়কে মহাকাল ধামের পাশে গাড়ি তীব্র গতিতে চালানোর ফলে গাড়ি পাল্টি, যার ফলে আমি এবং কমল ওরাও অনেকজন পিকনিক পার্টি গুরুতর আহত হয়। লোকজনের সাহায্যে মাল
হাসপাতালে মারা যায়।
সন্তোষ রায় এবং আর দুজন হাসপাতালে মারা যায়। আমি আমার 6 জনকে
শিলিগুড়ি হাসপাতালে হস্তান্তরিত করা হয়।
As per the earlier returning from the picnic lodging, we are standing in the roadside, but as other charge sheet speaks another story lodging. As per the charge sheet, they are the passengers over the truck lodging. That is not permissible. That's why the insurance company has filed this appeal.
This plea has not been taken in the
WS, you have
WS,
taken this.
WS 14, page number 14. That has been not been
It's
taken.
40.
14, 1/4. And even
Any additional written statement filed?
Statement filed not.
File.
Additional.
No,
So this point has not been taken.
even in the cross examination, that has not been taken.
So how this point can raise here?
Yes.
That is the
Actual issue. Actual issue.
But so for the lordship, the other concern, the other victim also get compensation. She two also already been get compensation. That has been, I have the copy.
And those compensation has
Yes,
been
yes, they
paid.
given, yes, lordship. That
No
is-
appeal has been preferred.
No appeal has been prepared. This is the mic.
Can you give the judgment copy
With the
of
lordship, this is.
the tribunal?
Yes, tribunal. They have been same accident. Two the other person died. They have been given the compensation. This is one also. Director. This is
Can you
one.
file the Xerox copy?
Lordship.
Can you file the Xerox copy?
Yes, I have filed this. Taken it. Lordship can take it.
That is the original one.
Take it. I have no objection. Take it, Lordship.
Already you received the money, that's why you.
No, I have not received. He is challenged this.
certified copy.
Certified copy. Because of the this is also judgment. Lordship, this is the judgment. Yes, copy of the judgment.
Lordship, I am living upon your lordship, but lordship kindly record my submission as per my grounds of appeal, lordship.
Lordship, my condition is the now 164. 164. This compensation should be a 5 lakhs and as interest along with the interest.
Interest আমাদের ছিল।
Hmm?
In case related.
কিন্তু কিছুই পাবো না। আমি জানবই না কবে। না ওটা তো পেয়ে গেছি। অর্ডার তো
So three, you have filed three.
3 persons.
Lordship, may I request one thing, lordship? Kindly record that other victim of this case has got the compensation, lordship.
Yes.
That's why I am
That's
receiving.
that's why you should. I have given for your interest also.
Anything more? So 5 lakhs you will.
5 lakhs
entitled.
and that is when lordship
But
has
you
already
have not filed any appeal.
objection, but lordship
I
already
cannot pass
accept-
any order.
Lordship.
Because of the
I will,
lordship, because
if I confirm the award, that would be the actual
Lordship.
same.
lordship, but my submission can be.
No, how submission?
Because of the, because of,
Once you are saying they did not pleaded any, how without
How you can
filing
plead it?
appeal, how you will get
okay, lordship.
similar submission will apply to you also.
Get to Lord.
Hearing concluded.
My lord, I think petitioner is from virtual. He is in virtual mode, my lord.
Item
36, my lord.
36.
Yes.
Item 36, my lord, I am for the appellant insurance company, my lord.
Or I am for the opposite party claimant.
36.
Can to is a stay
My
application.
lord, I am for the appellant insurance company, my lord. My lord. Stay has been granted, my lord. We have deposited the entire awarded amount along with interest, my lord. This application is for the amendment of the cause title of the appeal, my lord. Regards the name of the appellant, my lord. My lord, Reliance General Insurance Company has merged with Indus General Insurance Company. This application is for that, my lord.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. I received the copy. Yes, ma'am. Also received the paper book, ma'am.
My lord, this application may be allowed first, then we will have the hearing of this.
ছোট পয়েন্ট চলে যায় হ্যাঁ ওনার
Submitted the registration as well as cost. All documents in the paper will come. That's what. Lordship, here the main point is the lordship, the income lordship. There is the deduct only lordship, professional tax can be deducted lordship.
Only
No, no, no.
professional tax and income tax,
Yes, lordship.
income tax income
both is required to be deducted.
Yes, lordship.
What was the income?
So this is the army personal lordship.
So
Page
did
number
you,
9.
did you file the income tax return or a deduction in the your
Lordship,
salary?
the
salary was two.
Salary
Salary
proof lordship and the income statement of account lordship is the annexer in this paper book lordship,
No,
page
no,
number
income
95.
tax, what would be the income tax at that time, at point of time?
Lordship, in the salary, 7,700.
That was deducted in the
Yes,
salary
deducted, lordship.
itself.
Yes.
Yes, lordship.
So why the tribunal has not considered the income of the victim?
Tribunal has been given only, tribunal has been deduct all the allowance and also income tax lordship.
Okay, 8th on 8th,
Can be tomorrow lordship.
No.
both the learned
Item number 39 with 40.
Lordship, there are two appeals in this matter, Lordship. The short point of appeal is that so far the judgment of the Indira Srivastava versus National Insurance Company Limited. In the judgment, what is that has been defined that what is the original income, what is the actual income. So that has been rightly defined in the judgment. In the case of Indira Srivastava, National Insurance Company Limited versus Indira Srivastava. So just let me highlight the case only. So now I'm not going for the
You have filed the court or
cross appeal. Yes,
another
cross
appeal.
appeal.
I have separate.
Separate appeal.
Separate appeal of the same.
Same judgments, out of the same judgment, Lordship. So only 2 points are there, Lordship. Here multiply has been wrongly adopted. It should be 9, but instead of 9, it has been adopted 8. So that is one of the grounds. And another ground, Lordship, the actual income has not been considered in view of the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of National Insurance Company Limited versus Indira Srivastava.
When the
Lordship.
incident was.
Incident occurred, Lordship, on 10/3/2016, Lordship.
16.
Lordship. Award has been.
What he was doing,
He was a salaried person, Lordship.
salaried person.
Lordship, primary school teacher.
Okay.
He was a primary school teacher.
What was the salary?
Salary was, Lordship, 35,754, Lordship. 54. 35,054, Lordship. 35,754.
You have deposited the amount already.
No, they have not
deposited?
deposited, Lordship.
You have
They have not
deposited?
satisfied the award, Lordship.
Actually,
They have not satisfied the award, Lordship.
in this case, LCR may kindly be called for. LCR has not been called for.
Paper book is there, Lordship. I have enclosed all the documents, certified copies, everything, Lordship. This case particularly, this case,
No,
Lordship,
other side is disputing, then how I can proceed?
this case is,
Special messenger cost has been deposited.
everything has been deposited, Lordship.
LCR is required also.
আচ্ছা, দেখুন তো, লিখুন তো।
Lordship, this, passed by the learned.
let us try on 8th
On 8th, Lordship. But kindly make it 8th, Lordship.
and you go through the paper book,
Kindly, solely, just
whether all documents are annexed with the paper book or not.
Lordship, there is some discrepancy as per my knowledge regarding the paperwork submitted by them and the actual trial court record. And so, LCR is
so on the basis of assumption, we are saying because I can prove, Lordship, that all the documents are there. Lordship, let it be
Let us
called
see
for,
on
Lordship.
8th.
I have no problem, Lordship. Let the record be called for on, so keep it on 8th, Lordship.
I have been informed by the.
Lordship, because this case is traveling from one circuit to another circuit on this particular plea, he is not participating in the hearing, Lordship.
No, that's.
On this plea, that right, you have rightly mentioned. I am supporting you because actually you have rightly pointed out that trial court record is necessary for the purpose of proper adjudication.
Okay,
So let it be called for on 8th, Lordship. I have no issue, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship. Lordship, it is 8th, Lordship.
In any matter?
Yes.
Jamini.
Another matter, Lordship. Other side.
আমাদের তো
My
কত?
lord,
কত না?
There was a direction for filing supplementary paper.
supplementary affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit, na, paper.
Supplementary paper book. Only I am not annex the examination affidavit in seat, my lord. My lord, it is a short matter, my lord.
ওই 8 তারিখে থাকে সোমবার দিন তো বন্ধ।
9%. My lord, 5,000. Income consider 5,000. Assess 5,000 instead of 9,000. And interest awarded only 4%, my lord. Short matter.
Supplementary received
I have just received on 8th. সত্যি চামিনি ওই যে অনলাইন ছিল গোপাম ওখানে
Item 42.
not today.
I'm for the insurance company. Mr. Banerjee is there, and it can be fixed for the next circuit because they have also filed answer. I have filed everything.
Acha, list this matter.
Forty-three.
Yes, Lordship, I am the appellant, Lordship. Here also the income, Lordship, the income tax.
In this case also paper book is not received.
Paper was the.
No, no, paper, কি বলছে LCR?
LCR.
Already আছে তো, আছে?
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship,
Today you have filed paper book or earlier?
today, Lordship. I have earlier served to the insurance company, Lordship.
It is not recorded. Yes, I have received it.
When? When
Yesterday.
you have received?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Record নেই তো?
In the income tax department, Lordship, the tribunal, Lordship, 5 lakhs will be deducted on average, Lordship. But he last RTI deposited, Lordship, 5,37,908, Lordship.
That should be
That
deducted.
was, that was produced before the trial court.
Yes, Lordship, and income tax
Exhibited.
officer himself
Exhibited.
deposited and PWD was examined, Lordship, and it was exhibited, Lordship.
Eighth. It will be eighth. This is not
In the
so
top, Lordship.
simple.
In the top,
This
Lordship.
is not so simple. We have to discuss.
In the top, Lordship.
Automatically top on it.
8. Wait for us. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the Lordship, petitioner Lordship. In this matter, only 3 points are very short appeal, Lordship. Interest has not been granted. 6,000 has been considered instead of 9,000, Lordship. Accident occurred in the year 2017. And spousal consortium and parental consortium, that is 1,20,000 has not been added. These are the 3 points. Simple case, Lordship.
Yes.
The appellants are husband and two son of the deceased. They are not depend upon the income of the deceased. And that's why the deceased was wife of the appellant number 1. Here in this case, as per paper book, page 1, the deceased was doing business, but what kind of business she is doing, that was not explained. What kind of business? No sheet of paper was filed before the.
Who died?
Wife died.
Female.
Wife died.
Female died.
Wife died.
What was your claim? She was doing business.
She was doing business.
Doing a business.
She was
But
seasonal-
what kind of business
Seasonal business.
she was doing, that was not proved by adduce any evidence or produce any
What was the
evidence. There
oral
was-
evidence? What was the oral evidence?
Lordship.
Oral evidence, kindly see the evidence,
From business.
business.
What type of business you are doing?
Para 9, 13, para 9, 13,
Page.
Page number
13,
12. 13 paragraph
12, 12,
13.
Lordship.
9.
Page number 12. no?
That my mother was attached to business and used to earn sum of rupees 9,000 per month for this side business. What kind of business he was doing? Why is the trade license? That was not mentioned. And here in this case, the
Do you
learned,
have any judgment with regard to the national income considered?
here
by
in
the
this
Supreme
case,
Court?
that was
If anybody fails to prove his income
Lordship,
or
3,000.
Lordship, this is my judgment, Lordship,
Huh?
before the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. In the case of Sharuti Barber,
that is vegetable seller.
no, Lordship. Actually, in the
No, there was some advertisement that she was a vegetable seller.
Lordship, initially it was
But
mentioned.
in this case, you did not mention what was you.
Absolutely,
doing,
Lordship.
Number one.
Lordship,
So even oral evidence, if I considered,
Lordship, Lordship.
considering the social
Lordship, I am coming to the
legislation,
judgment of Lordship Syed Siddiqui, Lordship. That's a very wonderful judgment, Lordship. Landmark judgment.
uh,
I'm coming up with that judgment, Lordship. Just allow me a moment, Lordship. So, Siddiqui, Lordship, it has been clearly dealt with that portion, Lordship, where
what?
there is no actually proof in support of the income, Lordship. So, what should be the income? What should be the notional income? And what should be the consideration from the side of the Honorable Court, Lordship? And that has been vividly dealt with in the judgment, Lordship. So, Siddiqui, is it?
But here in this
Lordship,
case,
let me allow, please allow me, sir. Please allow me, sir.
No, is there any problem in hearing this case today? Today, do you have any problem in hearing this case?
no, proceed. My lord.
Proceed.
Lordship.
Why you have not said housewife or a housemaker?
30,000, Lordship. This is
Ah.
judgment 30,000 housewife, homemaker, Lordship, earning 30,000, Lordship.
30,000.
30,000 can be allowed to each and every homemaker, anyone.
There are so many homemakers, Lordship, they aren't more than that.
We discuss 100 rupees per day. It was also discussed in this case. 3,000. Which paragraph you are referring?
Lordship, please come to paragraph number 9, Lordship, the judgment. The judgment basis. There is no
9.
Lord. There is no reason in the instant case for the tribunal and the High Court to ask for evidence of monthly income of the appellant. There is no reason. There is no in the instant case the tribunal. There is no reason in the instant case for the tribunal and the High Court to ask for evidence of monthly income of the appellant / claimant. On the other hand, going by the present.
No,
state-
same.
Lordship,
This is a
Lordship,
vegetable vendor.
Allow me for a moment, Lordship. Allow me for a
I
moment.
want
But
a
the
specific
Lordship,
that if a person failed to prove his
Lordship,
income,
I agree with the
then
Lordship.
in that case, what would
I
be?
absolutely, so even in this case,
I
Lordship,
only want to give you take your assistance.
Lordship,
In case if someone said no, he was
Lordship.
unemployed and he was not doing anything.
Lordship.
In that case, what would be the
here in this case,
actual
Lordship,
national income?
this was a businessman, Lordship.
National income at this stage.
At this stage, Lordship, the
Is
notional
there
income-
any recent
Lordship,
judgment passed by the Supreme Court? Skill labor, unskilled labor,
Lordship, I'm coming to
even if I take unskilled labor,
Lordship, I'm coming to that portion, Lordship. There is a, I'm referring the protest to the judgment of the
এটা সৈয়দ শিক্ষিত দিয়ে দেয়।
Lordship, I'm referring one judgment, Lordship. Actually, the ratio and principle which has been laid down in the case is a long back. In the case of Ramchandrappa versus manager Royal Sundaram Alliance Insurance Company Limited, kindly come to para number 5, Lordship. So that is this judgment has been passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. Honorable Justice Sudhanshu Dhuria and Vinod Chandran, Lordship, passed the judgment, Lordship, where it has been the spirit of the judgment, Lordship, in the Ramchandra versus manager Royal Sundaram Alliance Insurance Company Limited, determined an income of rupees 4,500 per month in the year 2004 for a coolie. A constitution bench in National Insurance Company Limited versus Pranay Shetty and others found that there would be an incremental increase. There would be an incremental increase in the income, which according to us would be reasonable if fixed at rupees 500 per month for every successive year. So keeping in mind that 4,500, in every successive year, 500 will be added to that amount. So that is the perception which has
2004 to today 2026.
Lordship, that is so
22 years, 11,000 and 9,000 will be.
But this is was
yes, maybe fully. So this is the proportion, this is the ratio and principle which has been laid down in the case of present case.
এটা further hearing is arranged.
Lordship, I am coming.
Tomorrow I'll hear. Tomorrow.
So part of Lordship is a part.
Tomorrow I
Let
will
it appear
hear.
in the list, Lordship, as another heading part of Lordship.
No, not today.
Lordship, this is part
না,
of.
আচ্ছা, এ লিখুন। নামগুলো চাইবে না, নাম
এটা 44 নাম্বার না?
Lordship, may I?
আচ্ছা, ওটা লিখে দেবেন অনলাইন, হ্যাঁ, ভার্চুয়াল মোড appear through virtual mode, যেটা ভার্চুয়াল মোড ভার্চুয়াল
Lordship, may I, Lordship?
আমি দেখি
Can only submit the paperwork, Lordship.
No, tomorrow.
Lordship, may I beg to mention a
Yes.
matter in item number 50. It has been running in list since past two circuits, like Lordship, only the name of the applicant is to be substituted. So I'm praying before this honorable court to
Tomorrow I will take.
some
tomorrow-
preference may be given, Lordship. It's been running since past three circuits and.
Tomorrow I will take up. Tomorrow I will take.